Did you know Australia is wider than the moon? Or that there's a place where it literally rains fish? Today, I'm going to show you 10 geography facts that will blow your mind. And trust me, fact number 10 is insane. Part 1, Earth Basics. Let's start with Earth itself. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. 71% of Earth is covered by water. The Pacific Ocean is bigger than all land combined. Earth isn't perfectly round. It's slightly squished. There may be more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy. Part 2, Extreme Deserts. Now let's visit some extreme places. Antarctica is the largest desert in the world. The Sahara Desert is almost as big as the USA. Some parts of the Atacama Desert never get rain. Deserts can be freezing cold at night. Some sand dunes actually sing in the wind. Part 3, Mountains. Think Everest is the biggest? Think again. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters every year. The Himalayas are still growing. Mauna Kea is taller than Everest from base to top. The Andes is the longest mountain range. Some mountains under the ocean are taller than Everest. Part 4, Oceans. The ocean is still full of mysteries. Oceans hold 97% of Earth's water. We've explored less than 5% of the ocean. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Everest is tall. Some ocean water glows in the dark. The Great Barrier Reef is visible from space. Part 5, Countries. Let's talk about countries. Russia is the largest country. Vatican City is the smallest. France has the most time zones. Africa has 54 countries. Some countries have no rivers at all. Part 6, Weird Facts. Now things get weird. There's a place where it rains fish. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. Australia is wider than the moon. Some places have no night for months. Some islands disappear during high tide. Part 7, Extreme Weather. Earth can be brutal. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Death Valley can reach 5-6 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature ever recorded is minus 89 degrees Celsius. Some places get snow even in summer. Lightning strikes Earth 100 times every second. Part 8, Islands. Let's explore islands. Greenland is the largest island. Indonesia has over 30,000 islands. Some islands are actually volcanoes. There are floating islands you can walk on. Japan experiences over 1,500 earthquakes every year. Part 9, Rivers and Lakes. Water gets even more interesting. The Amazon River carries the most water. The Nile is one of the longest rivers. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake. Some rivers flow underground. There's a river that looks like a rainbow. Part 10, Final mind-blowing facts. Ready for the craziest ones? You can stand into continents at once. Some places are below sea level. Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. Continents are slowly moving right now. One day, all continents may join again into one supercontinent. If your brain just exploded, hit the red subscribe button, because every week we bring facts that make you smarter and shock your brain. Comment your favorite fact below and I'll reply.